How long does a Monzo loan take? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how long it takes to get a Monzo loan. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about what a Monzo loan is. Monzo is a digital bank that offers a variety of financial products, including loans. Their loans are unsecured, which means that they don't require any collateral. This makes them a good option for people who don't have any assets to pledge as security. Monzo loans are also flexible and easy to apply for. You can apply for a loan online in just a few minutes. Once your application is approved, the money will be transferred to your Monzo account within 24 hours. So, how long does it take to get a Monzo loan? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, including your credit score, your income, and the amount of the loan you're applying for. In general, the higher your credit score and income, the faster you'll get your loan. Here's a breakdown of the typical timeline for getting a Monzo loan. Application: it takes about 5 minutes to complete the online application. Approval: if your application is approved, you'll receive an email or text message within 24 hours. Funding: once your loan is approved, the money will be transferred to your Monzo account within 24 hours. Here are some tips for getting your Monzo loan approved. Have a good credit score. The higher your credit score, the more likely you are to be approved for a loan. Have a stable income. Monzo will want to see that you have a steady income source. Apply for a loan that you can afford to repay. Don't borrow more money than you can afford to pay back. In addition to the factors I've mentioned, there are a few other things that can affect the time it takes to get a Monzo loan. The time of day that you apply. Monzo applications are processed 24/7, so the time of day that you apply shouldn't have a significant impact on the processing time. The day of the week that you apply. Monzo applications are processed on weekends and holidays. However, it may take longer for your application to be processed if you apply on a weekend or holiday. The amount of money you're borrowing. The larger the amount of money you're borrowing, the longer it may take for your application to be processed. Overall, the process of getting a Monzo loan is quick and easy. If you have a good credit score and a stable income, you should be able to get your loan approved and funded within a few days. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Monzo loans, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. I hope this script is helpful.